Well, today was the professional development day for our Rebuild Detroit scholars. We had some student talks, some workshops, and then we had a keynote speaker, Dr. Riana Anderson from the University of Michigan. She talked about her path to academia. It wasn't a standard path. This wasn't a career she saw coming. And then she put into place how her own growth and life experiences have led her to be a bridge between the academy at the University of Michigan and Detroit citizens, and her interest in public health and health disparity research. It was awesome. I think she really connects with our students. I think they can connect with her, and it was a great capstone to an interesting day.
Dr. Anderson got to talk about her experience with research and racial discrimination. We also had an experience to be engaged in workshops with Dr. Anderson, for example. We learned how to do the CV and the resume, the differences, and how important it is in the future.
Well, I think this is a great opportunity for our students to get together and interact across campuses. We had students both from the University of Detroit Mercy and from Wayne State University interacting today. They get a chance to give formal presentations on their research. A few of them do. Other students then get to see what their peers are doing for research, and it really helps them focus on how to present themselves to the community, both as scholars and as professional young adults.
I felt that I had enough adequate time to, be familiar with the stuff that I was doing in my lab, and then I mentioned earlier that my lab mentors really allowed me to ask questions, so that definitely built my understanding. And I like speaking publicly in general, so it was really a great opportunity for me to exercise that skill.
Honestly, I thought it was a really great experience because when I first started the BUILD program, I really had no idea where it would actually take me. And the professional development day kind of showed me where I could end up with watching some of the speakers and how they've continued their research and been able to improve upon it over time. And I think that for the new cohorts, they'll be able to see that same kind of progression over time when it comes to doing research, and how it's not an overnight thing.
It was a little intimidating seeing how much they knew about their research and what they're looking forward to, because coming in as in cohort 5, I have no idea what research or what lab I'm going to be in, and it was very impressive how much knowledge they knew, how much they worked on this progress or on their research, and it was very inspiring.